In less than 24 hours, we're gonna get hit with a major blizzard. So in preparation of tomorrow's storm, we are going to the supermarket to get a couple essential things, water, and also to show you guys the absolute craziness the day before the storm. Look at this guy. Look at this guy right here. Whoa. Classic New Jersey. Look at this guy. Wow.
What is happening? Oh my gosh. What in the world?
I want to get on it too.
No, okay. This lady has to do it.
I don't know. People are literally going into the supermarket as if the world is about to end tomorrow. Storm even called.
I don't even know.
Winter storm. Sandy.
We're gonna call it Stella for now.
Stella. I think it is Stella. Oh
my god, this person is reversing.
What's this bloke doing here? Kind of reminds me of Pakistan. Chaos. No one's following the law of the land here. Supermarket's right here. ShopRite, right here. This is how far we had to park. The parking lot is completely packed. People are coming in and out of this place like it's Apocalypse 2017. Clear skies right now. In 24 hours, all this is gonna change. All of this is gonna be, oh gosh, we're walking the. When did organic milk become $10?
We've got a couple of systems kind of phasing together. That's why we're saying Stella kind of coming together in pieces.
Heavy snow for many.
So we do see the potential of wind gusts over 60 miles per hour.
Wide swath of 12 to 18 inches of snow.
Happy birthday to Harsher Mahmood. So it's Harsher's birthday. What's today's date? March what?
14th.
14th. And apparently, what was it? When you were born, there was a snowstorm?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same day?
Yeah.
So today,
repeats itself.
history has repeated itself because you look outside and Blizzard Stella is embracing us. It snows a lot when you have to use a shovel to dig your car out. You know what? Might as well walk on the road. Walking on the roads. This is amazing. Everything is closed. All the businesses are closed. All the schools are closed. It's coming down hard, guys. It's coming down real hard. They say 3 to 4 inches per hour. It's already snowed about a foot. So we officially dug all the cars out, cleaned the driveway off, and now this car is a 4x4, all-wheel drive, whatever. It's like, you need this for this kind of weather. So we're just gonna go out and explore and just see the effects that this snowstorm Stella has had on this whole area.
Give it a shot, but how you guys gotta come out? I'll give him a little push. I'm gonna give it a push? Alright. I'm gonna do it with the police over there. Yeah. Thanks, I appreciate it. Alright, man.
That guy was stuck. Pretty bad. I hope the police can help him out. Hello, lad.
Hello.
So you're doing some winter cuddling here.
Yeah, I am doing some winter cuddling.
I wanted to really just show you guys the effects of the storm and how beautiful everything looks with the snow and how it immobilizes everything and really how powerful nature is. I hope that this serves as a reminder for you, for myself, for anyone who's watching, that nature is beautiful and we have to take care of Mother Nature. We need to take care of this planet that we live in. With that, I'm going to end this video right here. I hope you guys have, an awesome day. If you guys are in this region, enjoy it, go sledding. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Please give this video a big, humongous, big, super massive like. See you guys next time. Keep smiling. Have an amazing life. This is poetic because I started the video with us going to ShopRite, and here we're ending this video off back to ShopRite. Wow. The roads actually, they cleaned them up pretty fast. Not too bad. Everything seems to be dug out, and now the thaw begins.